You are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving a question on development and intersection of solid. This question is from West African Examination Council 2020 Private Candidate Series 2. 2020 Private Candidate Series 2, that is GCE second series, which comes up in January, February. Now, the pipes are two square pipes connected at an angle of 30 degrees to the vertical. Then pipe P is of side 30 and pipe Q is of side 20. That is, this pipe, the side is 30, whereas this pipe, the side is 20. So we start from the plan, and that is with pipe P. You start by drawing 45-degree angle, two of it. Let's move it a little bit this way. Two 45-degree angles intersecting one another, and this. So from this, now you now measure the length of side, which is 30 for pipe Q. The length of side is 30. 1, 2, 3. This is 30. You measure 30 on the other side too. 1, 2, 3. So you need to draw the plan of pipe P. Shift it. You use 45 degrees to do this. Now you can take the side vertically upward like this, center too, and this other side like that. So let us pick this point as the base of the elevation. So you draw your horizontal line that way. Then the height of the pipe, according to the question, is 50. So you measure 50. This is 50. And this corner, this pipe Q is intersecting with pipe P at a distance of 8 from the bottom. You can see 8 mm. So let us come here and measure our 8 mm. This is 8 mm. So put it here. Now it is 30 degrees to the horizontal. It is 30. This is 60 degrees. Then this one will be 30 degrees. So that means so let us use the protractor to measure it, because the TD board is interfering. The table is interfering with the set square. So let me use protractor. Okay, let me measure it here. At this point, it is 30 degrees to the horizontal. Okay, let's put it here. 30 degrees. This way. Like that. So from the look of things, the 30 degree will not work, because if we place 30 degree, because this angle here is 30 degree, this one is 60 degree. If I place it here, the drawing will definitely go, the connecting pipe will actually go out of this. So I think there is an error there. So let us use 60 degree, which will be like this. You draw this one like this. You take it that way. So on top of it, you can pick a point. Let's say we pick this point to draw our connecting pipe. To draw a connecting pipe, just place it on this. You slide it away and come here. Okay, let's put it here now. Let's put it at this point. Put this one here. So now we can measure this pipe key, which is 20. We measure 20 from both sides. This is 20 and this is 20. So you can now transfer. Still place this one on the line. So you now place this one like this. So go that way, and this one will go this way. Those are the pipes. So you can now transfer this line to this point and this point. So just place it at the back of this one, slide it here. You have this, slide it here. You have this. So now this the distance from here to the edge of the pipe is 35. So let us measure at 35. 1, 2, 3, 35. That's 35. So you can draw a perpendicular line from that point of 35. All of us place it on the line. Put this one behind it and slide it away. So you can put your glass square on it, so that we have a 45, 90 degree to that side. So now we have been able to solve the first part of the question, which says copy the given view. We have copied the given view. Oh, we have not done this one. Let us take this one out too. The given view is not completed. Take this one out from the center like this. You put 45 degree. Oh, it's a little bit far. Let's put it at 45 degree, and it will encroach into the drawing. Let's use 45 degree. Okay, let's pick this point. I pick here. I don't want it to encroach into this drawing. That's what I'm trying to avoid. Let me pick here and here. Now, this pipe, this square that I've drawn here is the elevation of this pipe looking in this direction. Now, the same pipe is connected to this one. So the same elevation is what I want to draw here. So I will draw the same side. I will measure the same side. That is 20. 20 here. And 20 here. So let me transfer this line. Transfer it here like this, and I'll transfer this one too. Like that. So I have my 2020 like that. Yeah. So I can now return it backward, the edges backward to touch the pipe, to touch pipe P like this. So from this now I can I have the given view, which is this view. Now the next question is to complete the two views. You have to complete this one and complete this one. That means you need to draw a line of interpenetration here and complete this one too. Now, to complete this, let us label this as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you now bring all these ones downward like this, this, and this. Now, we need to label this one too. Now, if we assume this 2 to 4 is vertical and 1 to 3 is horizontal. Now, the one that is vertical, when you come to this place, you place it horizontally, and the one that is horizontally, you place it vertically. So our 2 and 4 is vertical here. We place them horizontally here. So we have 2 and 4 here. So you can put your one either up or down. So let me put 1 up. So 2. This place will be 3. Now let us now connect 1 to 1. This is 1, meeting 1 here. Then 2 to 12. This is 2 here. It's meeting 2 here. I also have 4 along this line. This is my 4 here. It's meeting 4 here. And I have 3 here. Where's my 3? 3 is along this line. The middle is here. So now I have the shape of how that pipe will look when you view it from the top. When you view that pipe from the top, this is the shape you see. So you can now thicken this one like this, this, and this. Similarly, you can thicken this one, this, 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 and this. So we have the complete plan. Now let us complete this one too. Now, for 1, let us extend 1 a little bit. Yes, 1 going to 1. It is touching the standing pipe here. So at the point where it is touching the standing pipe, you take it vertically upward. You take it vertically upward. So it is intersecting it here now. That is 1. You can see 1 meeting 1. Now let us trace 2 and 4. This is 2 going to 2 here and going to 4 here. You can see this is 4. 4, 2, 2, 2. Now the last one is 3. This is 3. It's intersect. It's on the same line with this. So 3 will also be here. So you don't need to indicate anything further than that. So you can join now. You join this one with straight lines. The reason why we are joining with straight line is because it is a prism with sharp edges, not smooth surface. Then this point, when you look at this corner, you have to make it thick like this and that. So that is the second part of the question. That is to complete the 2 views. We have completed this one and we have completed this. So the next part of the question now is to develop pipe Q. You can see this is pipe Q. It's very important that you also put all the labeling. This is P and this is Q. Now you can also write plan here and write elevation here, because you can never say what the examiner will attach mark to. So do all you can do. Now the next is to now develop it, making XX the same. That means our development will go upward. And remember, in some of our videos, I told you that whenever you are developing a surface, the development will be perpendicular to the surface. So this is the surface of this pipe, and this is another surface of this pipe. So it will be perpendicular to the surface. This is the surface now. You shift it a little bit away from it, like this. Now you place your other set square. Place your other set square on it and draw perpendicular line like this from all the corners, all the points. This we do for these two, and we do for the top. that. So now you need to extend this one downward so that I can cover all the required area here. Now let me extend this one a little bit more. It's most likely will encroach into this diagram, so we may need to clean it, erase it. Now, so we want to develop this pipe. So the next thing to do is that the pipe will have 4 sides. So you want to open the 4 sides. So that means we have this distance 1 to 4, or 4 to 3, or 3 to 2, or 1 to 2 to 1 in 4 places. So you can use any one of your choice to do the transfer. You can use any one. I want to use 1 to 2. That's 1 to 2. So I'll start from the beginning here. Mark the first one, second, third, and fourth. Yeah, it didn't encroach into the drawing eventually. That's good too. So you now make perpendicular line to this line, or parallel line to this, from all those points, or the 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it says the seam should be this. Since the seam is this, so that we don't get confused with this numbering, let us make, so this place will be 2, because this is the 2 that we have here. We have 2, and don't forget we have our x here. That is the seam. It's very, very important to label it. After 2, now you have 1. After 1, you have 4. After 4, you have 3. Then back to 2. So that's how you connect them. Now let us now begin to connect the pipe. At the top, it will be a straight line because it is not cutting. It is not, there's no cutting there, so it will be a straight line. Then at the bottom, that's where we need to develop. So this is point 1 and 3. 1 here. Where is 1? It will be here. The same on the same line we have 3. These are 3. Now this point we have 4. Where is 4? We come here. That's our 4. And on this one we have 2. Where is 2? This is our 2. So that is just it. So all you need to do now is just to connect them like this. It goes this way, goes this way, and this one comes back to this place. Then you can now thicken all the edges. All these lines, they are edges of the prism. Make everything thick. And the last one. So don't forget to thicken this one too. So now thicken the top. So that is the development of pipe Q. So that's the solution to the question of West Africa Senior School Certificate Exam 2020 Private Candidate Series 2. That's GCE, the 2nd edition. So thank you very much. If you have enjoyed this video, do ensure you like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.